following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Can we turn my computer down? Oh! Mr. Alert! That just beeped!
NOAA Weather Radio on Greg
Shush,
just
I
north
know.
of Terre Haute, West Virginia, on a frequency of 162.50 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built
15
receivers will be
minutes.
automatically
Thank God for
activated by
watching.
these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon each Wednesday. This radio station, KWN 36, serves the following counties in
Thank you
West
for watching,
Virginia,
everyone.
Harvard,
Bye-bye.
Marion, Monongalia, Preston, and Taylor, Tucker. And in western Maryland, the county of Garrett. And finally, in southwestern Pennsylvania, the county of Fayette. The National Weather Service.
Get ready to defy expectations with Optimum's 100% fiber internet network. The best, fastest, and most reliable internet. Tap into the ultimate power for work, play, and gaming. Opt in to Optimum. Get fiber internet starting at just $40 a month. Call, click, or visit a store.
Tonight, President Trump testing the limits of his power. The White House ordering a pause on multiple forms of federal financial